Bonjour et bienvenue à la conversation française. Hello, je suis votre instructeur Rhonda. Translation: Hello, I'm your instructor Rhonda. For your final assignment, you're going to be creating a project. In the next sections, we'll go over the project, what I'm expecting from the project. We're going to be talking about some ideas, and I've also provided an example. And creativity. Be creative, have fun. This is your last project. In this section, we're going to talk about the details of the project. Pretend we're going on vacation. This gives you an opportunity to explore the French language as well as the culture. Choose a destination where the primary language spoken is French. After you've chosen your destination, research the local culture. What's the food? What do they do for fun? What's the climate and the geography like? What are the local hot spots and hangouts? Try to get a sense of the area's true culture. And then choose your presentation method. Create a flyer, a brochure, a video, and then upload it to your student blog so everyone can see it. Make sure you include photos, audio, and text into your presentation. As far as what I'm expecting, I expect you to be able to read, write, and speak the language proficiently. The ability and capability to demonstrate your proficiency will be evident from your project, as well as the outline and short 3 to 5 page paper I am also requesting as part of your assignment. Your outline will provide a detailed and formatted palette of your project. Your paper will provide a detailed explanation of your project as well as why you chose that particular destination and information pertaining to the local culture. You are not required to write up the paper in French. However, you are required to provide use of the French language in the project itself. You may include a voiceover audio and or text with the correct pronunciation and spelling. So here are a couple of options that can get you started on your research. Remember, the only two requirements I have for the project are 1. French must be the spoken language of your destination, and 2. You must demonstrate your proficiency of the language via audio and or text within your project. Each country has a consulate where you can conduct some of your research to find out things like the language and other cultural information. You can also take a look at the websites of National Geographic and the Travel Channel to help you. As for the design, look for templates that will enable you to create a brochure or a flyer. You can also create a short video using still photographs and a voiceover. It's your choice. Just be creative. So here's an example I found of a publishing template in Microsoft Word. This is the 2008 edition, and each new edition of Microsoft Office will have some variations. So take a look and see if your edition has a publishing template you may be interested in to help create your project. To help further you along a bit more, here are a few more examples you might find useful. For resources, I say go to the web and locate local visitor bureaus and the country's consulate. There are a variety of templates you can use. If your PC or Mac has Word, start your search there. If it doesn't, there are numerous options on the web that can be downloaded for free. As for translators, the best I found is by Google, and it's called Google Translate. So utilize the web to help you design your project. So here are a few useful links. Google Translator is one of many translators on the web. Each country has a consulate that can provide you with information, so just type in the name of the country you are searching for in the search box and you'll be provided with a link to that country's consulate. For example, type in the Swedish consulate. There are numerous websites that provide templates for free. Here are a few options. In conclusion, our objective is to design a project that will enable you to utilize your French language skills and explore various forms of the French culture. Our goal is to demonstrate your proficiency and mastery of the French language. Your requirements include the project, the outline, and the paper. Your other requirements include the submission of these items to me, the instructor, and the uploading of your project to the student blog.